When you first create your ServiceNode.work account, you will be guided through the essential company setup process. Still, in addition to these required tasks, there are quite a few other adjustments you can make to get the most out of your ServiceNode account and make it work best for your business. Let me walk you through the setup process and show you what some of these things do. Let's start with the necessary company information, company name and address. This is the address where you want customers to mail their payments. Next, we set the primary phone number and email address. Again, these are forward-facing values that will be displayed to your customers in emails and text messages. Next, we have how sales tax will be applied to your customers and jobs. As you know, taxation is a bee, and there are all kinds of ways that sales tax is calculated from state to state and even changes from one city or county to another. This setting will tell ServiceNode how to apply sales tax to your invoices. The options are tax parts only, tax labor only when parts or tangible personal property is installed, this is what we have in Kentucky, tax parts and labor, or you don't collect sales tax at all. God bless Alaska, Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, and Oregon. ServiceNode auto-calculates tax rates based on the job location zip code. This is handy for companies that are located near borders where tax rates may fluctuate. And this rate that we're setting is a fallback rate to use in case there's a high risk of using auto tax calculation. As a business administrator, you can come back and adjust any of these settings as needed. Next, we will set two quick selection job rates. This is a quick way to set rates that you use regularly and also encourage your field techs to charge the prices that you have set. Custom labor rates can also be used when updating a job. What do you charge to show up at a customer's home? And what is a commonly used base labor rate? After that, technically you're good to go. But let's take a minute to go over some more settings that can make a huge difference. With these switches, you can connect to your Google Calendar and QuickBooks accounts, and once that's done, jobs will automatically be synced to your calendar and financial software. Under the Marketing tab, you can upload a logo and set your company's slogan to assist with branding. You can also set a target review site that will be added to your invoices to encourage more customer reviews of your company. This can also be altered at any time, so once you have good coverage on Facebook or Google, you can shift to BBB, Yelp, or Angie's List. In the Fields tab, you can choose what fields you want to use and require. And if you would like to display item numbers to your customers on invoices, allow signature and image attachment to jobs. Commonly selected options are on by default. However, not all companies want or need to collect product information or service contract numbers. This is the most involved part of setting up your company and getting it right, so there's a separate video that goes over each setting and its effects in detail. In the Invoice/SMS tab, you can alter the color options for your invoice sent to your customers. Then we have an option that will add some fine print to the bottom of the invoice. This is a good place for any labor guarantee or company policies that you may want to have displayed on your invoice. You can also alter service time confirmation messages sent to your customers. Using the customer product, service window, and company phone replacement hooks, you can control where these variable elements will be inserted into your text message. In the taxes and charges area, you can view and alter the settings that we've already entered. We can also set a few more optional features, like what percentage of credit card processing fees you would like to pass on to your customer. If a value is set in this field, the percentage will be automatically calculated from the total invoice and displayed so that you can correctly inform your customer of what the fee will be if a credit card is used. There are also extended distance charges and discount options. The first three discounts are percentage-based off of the total labor, and the last is a flat monetary amount off of the total ticket. There's also a second quick select labor option that you can set if you would like. That's enough to get you going. If you would like to know more about customizing fields and features for your company, check out the Custom Fields video. I would love to hear what you think and any suggestions that you may have to make ServiceNode.work the best field service management system available. Feel free to email me anytime and we can chat. Have a beautiful and productive day.